Protecting your car's paint is essential. Whether it's paint protection film or ceramic coating, maintaining these layers ensures your car looks its best. These barriers protect your car from scratches and environmental damage. It maintains your car's factory paint, preserving its value. Ceramic coatings create a hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and grime. Proper care and maintenance are crucial. Your car will maintain a showroom shine for years to come. Washing your car may seem straightforward, but there's a specific technique to maintain your protective layers. The goal is to clean your car without causing any damage. Start with a pH-neutral car shampoo, as harsh chemicals can strip away the protective layers. Never use dish soap. Using a 2-bucket method will further protect your car's finish. Fill one bucket with the soapy solution and the other with clean water. Use the clean water bucket to rinse your wash mitt frequently. This prevents dirt and grime from being reintroduced to your car's surface. Use gentle back and forth motions with the wash mitt. Avoid using circular motions, as this can create swirl marks. Rinse your car thoroughly, ensuring no soap residue remains. Drying your car properly is as crucial as washing it. Water spots, if left to dry, can etch into the protective layers, diminishing their effectiveness. Microfiber towels are your best friend when it comes to drying. They're super absorbent and gentle on your car's finish. Avoid using rough towels or chamois leathers. Pat your car's surface dry instead of dragging the towel. You can also use a high-quality car dryer to remove excess water. Keep the dryer moving to prevent heat buildup on any one spot. Remember, the goal is to dry your car thoroughly and gently to prevent any potential damage to the PPF or ceramic coating. Section 4. Avoiding the use of harsh chemicals and products. Certain chemicals and products can harm your car's protective layers. These can degrade the film or coating, reducing their effectiveness and lifespan. Avoid automated car washes at all costs. The harsh brushes and strong chemicals they use are extremely damaging to your car's finish. Stick to hand washing or touchless car washes. Always check the labels of car care products before using them on your car. Look for products specifically designed for PPF or ceramic-coated cars. When in doubt, consult with a professional detailer or your car's manufacturer for recommendations on safe and effective cleaning products. Section 5. Dealing with environmental contaminants. Environmental contaminants like bird droppings, tree sap, and insect splatters can harm your car's paint. These contaminants carry acidic properties that can eat into the protective layers. Address them as soon as you notice. Use a quick detailer spray and a microfiber cloth to remove them. For tougher stains, use a dedicated tar remover. Prompt removal prevents lasting damage to your car's finish. Section 6. Maintaining your car's pristine look. To ensure your PPF or ceramic coating continues to protect your car, regular maintenance is essential. This includes routine inspections and cleaning. Inspect your car's surface regularly for any signs of damage to the protective layers, such as scratches, swirl marks, or peeling. Address these issues promptly to prevent further damage. Schedule routine maintenance appointments with a professional detailer. They can assess the condition of your PPF or ceramic coating and recommend the necessary care. By following these tips, you can maintain your car's pristine look for years to come. Protecting your car's finish is an investment that pays off in the long run. For professional premium car grooming services, please contact Talbot's Auckland Auto Detailing, your most reliable car detailing specialist in town.